We're ready?
Yeah.
And go.
Hey everybody, my name is Rajan, and I'm here to talk to you today about empathic innovation. And innovation has really become a buzzword, a catchphrase, a mantra for our times, right? We must all innovate, like the academic literature tells us to innovate, popular press tells us to innovate, around us we hear innovate or die. And in contrast to this highly sort of competitive, cutthroat understanding of innovation as some sort of exercise in survival, what I invite you to do today is to think about innovation as a process that's empathic. I thought the best way to tell you about this would be to tell you the story of Murugananthan. Murugananthan is this guy who lives in the Indian state of Tamil Nadu. He had a peculiar problem. He found his wife using soiled rags because she couldn't afford sanitary napkins. And he decided that he was going to make sanitary napkins for her. So now he's got a problem because he's got to test his products, his prototypes, and menstruation being such a taboo subject, most women who he approached refused to participate in his study. But he still persisted. He converted himself into a subject. He began to wear sanitary napkins. He used animal blood as a substitute, and he was able to figure out that wood pulp works as a very nice material if you're trying to build, construct sanitary napkins that are affordable and that are hygienic. So I've spent much of the last 2 years going back to India and spending time with innovators such as Murugananthan to learn more about how they come about with such innovations. And what I've learned is that empathic innovation is characterized by an extreme sensitivity towards the needs of others. The sense of what's called samvedana in Hindi, my ability to experience or internalize the pain that's felt by others. But what this means in practice is that the innovator engages in sustained, reflexive observations of user behavior in naturalistic settings. And perhaps most interestingly, innovators freely share their knowledge with other users. They don't seek monetary gain for their work or for their ideas. And for the users, you see a number of functionalities or affordances being generated through such innovation, primarily mobility. Women could use Murugananthan's innovation. They could literally carry the sanitary napkin manufacturing product that he developed with them. And a lot of flexibility. What I mean by that is the reusability or multifunctionality of the technology that's developed. What I'm trying to do right now is to see if these insights from my work on empathic innovation at the grassroots can be scaled up. So I'm working with the National Informatics Center in India to see if the insights from my research can be used to inform the design and implementation of large-scale ICT-based innovations for social and economic development. Now, one of the things we were asked to do today is talk about opportunities for collaboration. And what I've really learned through my research over the last 2 years is that the family is a fundamental organizational unit for these kinds of empathic innovation. I'm also extremely interested in constructing narratives around these empathic innovators, and I would be really, really interested in learning how to construct these narratives as digital stories. And finally, I'm really, really interested also in understanding what the potential benefits of social media tools and platforms can be to increase the visibility and impact of such empathic innovations. Thank you.
Sorry. I was taking notes.